you how to sync the desktop to Teams using Project Online. So Project Online is a service that's available from Microsoft, and it basically allows a synchronization between Project Desktop and a browser. Okay. And you can pull a browser in any website from into a Teams channel. So therefore, you can pull Project Online into a Teams channel and synchronize your desktop project plan with Teams. Okay. So that allows you to share your schedule quickly and easily. So you would have and retain the full power of the desktop project that you are using today or could be using. You would be able to publish your changes when they're ready to Teams and share your schedule with the entire team so that they would be able to go into your Teams channel and see the schedule as synced up by your desktop. And then you would be able to leverage additional features of Teams for creating a more collaborative environment, like, for example, the ability to have a shared file repository and to co-author your documents in there instead of emailing them around, and the ability to have like a threaded chat discussion. And you can surround your project schedule with other tabs with that have other functions and capabilities as needed. Additionally, you can leverage the new Project for the Web app inside of Teams. So you could have some projects that are being managed in the desktop and some projects that are being managed with Project for the Web, but the way that people would get to them would be through a Teams channel. And what Project for the Web offers, and I'm going to demonstrate this in a minute, is real-time co-authoring, the ability to clone or copy one project and use it again, a threaded discussion in Teams, of course, because we're now in that environment, resource assignments, but it also has a Kanban board view and a timeline view, which is very similar to your Gantt chart view. And it does do dependency management and predictable end dating. So it's better than using like Microsoft Planner for project management because it provides the schedule and the Gantt chart and the end date predictability. It's like an upgrade of Microsoft Planner. It may not be for everybody, though. It may not be for complex project plans. It doesn't have all of the capabilities of Project Desktop, so it might not be suited for all of your projects of all types. It's also limited to 1,000 lines, and there's other things that it does and doesn't do. One thing of note that people key in on particularly is that the changes happen in real time. Um, there's no building out your project schedule and kind of scenarioizing it and then doing it offline and then uploading it when you're ready. Everything just happens right away and in real time. There's no concept of saving. It's like a born in the cloud type of modern tool, and it should be used only for things that are suited for.